Ki Thei Samla bala pendep ya kajing Iaki Sopti Iathoh Shong Kurim batip kumka Assistant Fashion Designer Bridal Apparel Course MCSWA Skills Training Center da kajing Kershan Pisa ke Meghalaya State Skill Development Society kabahap hapok ketenat Labor, Employment and Skills Development ke Khuborjylla kila yolat ban pen irong Iaki Sopti Iathoh Shong Kurim ba kila suhi HAKA RYNSAN Bridal BLISS Spectacular Fashion Show and Exhibition bala penlong da Commitment to Community Social Welfare Association HAKA Arpunri tarik uyayong hajar arpusaw ha District Library mentong jawai. Ukongsan MB Tongper Additional Deputy Commissioner West Jainta Hills haba ajing kran uong. Kakarkhana penmi Jain Sopti kade kabadawa bha kajuk kabamenta kamtam habayade berki Sopti Iathoh Shong Kurim balasha sakhi Khuborjylla ka district lajongru baki brio kiabe ya kajing itenat wal ada remdor maknaru namarde ke batang shisen hakajing im ban pensa jingkan mau. Haka benta jing pen irong Iaki Sopti ningkong la sedang deka personal creation round bala pen i daki samla bala dep syahikai haka course assistant fashion design bridal apparels board saka inspiration round haka ba ki model kila pen i ya karukom penwandor Iaki Sopti bala su penwandor deki samla syahikai assistant fashion design bridal apparel. Layo ru saya ke talent showcase na ki Samla Syahikai tailoring jongka WINOCAP ka talent showcase fashion design na ki ba syahikai jongka sewing thread nang talayo ya ka ram walk na ka best jawai hajar arpulai arpusaw bat khadu pat layo ya ka final bridal gown round ne ka jingpen i rong Iaki Sopti Iathoh bala pen i de ki Samla bala dep syahikai haka assistant fashion design bridal apparel. Lapan shong shidru ya kane kasni da kajing ruai jing tem jing put na ka grassroots music project.
Indeed, a very big achievement. The fashion industry is coming up big time in today's world. If you look at the global the value of the fashion industry worldwide, it has crossed $2 trillion. Even in that country, it has touched billions of dollars. And the bridal gown industry is huge. I think we all see the numerous weddings which happened even in our state, in the district. I mean, a wedding is a very, very big, a very grand affair, right? And a wedding gown is something which every person cherishes, no matter how much money we spend on the gown. A gown is a reflection of of memories, of emotions. So this is a very, very big opportunity, especially for the trainees. Just three things when you go forward in your careers in the fashion industry. First thing is you need to project your work. This is called digitalization. I believe you're all aware during COVID, right? During COVID, we all work through mobile phones, all our meetings are through Zoom meetings. So this is an excellent platform. Whatever you do, you use the internet. This is an excellent platform to showcase your talent. I believe Miss Mandakini, she's Miss Social Media, right? And he's the right person to talk to. This is where you need to really, explore this platform, and I'm sure you will do very, very well. Second is sustainability. I think we're all aware in today's world, everybody is talking about a sustainable environment. And even the global fashion industry is focusing on sustainability. The products which you use in your designs, in your clothes, this is very important, especially if you use local products. We have many important and famous designers from the state itself, and I believe even today we will see these products made from very environment-friendly materials. And the third one is inclusivity. I think this is also very important in today's world. The fashion industry is not just meant for females, but even males. And all genders in today's, if you look in today's scenario. So these are the three important components for the trainees. The district skill officer and his team have done a tremendous job in the district. He has just informed me that around 60 trades will be up for grabs. in the coming days. You see, India now is on the verge of becoming a superpower. You are very, very lucky. I believe all of you must be in your 20s, early 30s, right? In the next 10, 15 years, India will become a big superpower. There's a vision of Viksit 2047, 100 years after independence. So you are living in very, very exciting times. And India has the highest percentage of workforce. It will peak in 2035. I mean, all of you are, you fit in that workforce caption. But how do you make use of your talent? This is where the skills come. If you do not skill yourself, you will not be able to contribute to the country, right? It's unfortunate that our education system, we all have gone through the different graduates, postgraduates, different courses. But once we pass the exams, we come to the market and we're a misfit. Right? We do not get jobs. That's why there's such a big unemployment problem. Luckily for us, we have institutes, we have departments like the skills department, societies like the MCSWA, which are trying to bridge this gap. And once we bridge this gap, there are opportunities below. The question of unemployment will just go. We just need to know what the market needs. So I urge you to come up and take these courses. I've seen the courses, they're all excellent courses, very sustainable and very fitting in the modern scenario. Third and lastly, I would like to thank Karen from the Eastern Society. That is a very, very important issue we have faced. It's very sad and unfortunate that we have the highest number of cases. But still, we should look at the bright side. Like he said, HIV AIDS is like any other disease. There are celebrities who have been living with this disease 20, 30 years after being infected. I remember one person called Magic Johnson, he was a famous basketball player. He's still living till now. So basically, people can live with this disease. But the only thing is you have to know that you have this disease so that you do not spread it to others. Right? And now the technology has advanced so much. That you can live a normal life. It's not such a big deal anymore, like when it was first diagnosed in the 80s and the 90s. The only thing is we have to come up, get tested. And this is very important because this permeates into the next generation. If you do not get tested, maybe the children will get